Hey guys, so I am back with another video in my wash day series, and I'm just gonna call this the 4-twist bun because that's exactly what it is. So yeah, let's jump right in. And as usual, I am starting off with freshly washed hair. I actually allowed my hair to dry out a little bit whilst I did my makeup today, whereas in the other videos I usually do it whilst it's soaking wet, and you guys are gonna see why. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some moisturizers to my hair. I've already applied my leave-in. And I'm just going to go in with my Botanical whipped shea butter. If you guys missed the video, I have launched my website. I've also launched my full range of all natural products, so definitely check it out. I'll put the information in the eye as well as at the end of the video and yeah, the description box. As I was only planning to wear this hairstyle for about a day or maybe two, I didn't want to actually use my Eco Styler gel. I just wanted something light that would give me kind of a nice slick look without necessarily drying up and giving me a hard crunch or build up, actually, for that matter. And guys, if you've been with me for a long time, you're gonna remember this scarf. I've had this scarf for like as long as I've been on my hair journey, so about maybe 8 years now, and it's the only thing I use for my buns, or I should say my puffs actually, and I absolutely love it. So what I'm doing here is basically I'm going to divide my hair into two sections, and I'm just clipping that section so that it doesn't shrink any more than it needs to, because I do want some length for this hairstyle. Now all I'm going to do is just apply a little bit more of my whipped shea butter, and that's also hopefully to help elongate the hair, and by applying that butter it stops the hair from shrinking up as much as it would have naturally. Now if you're not very good at twisting, this is the perfect hairstyle for you, because you want these twists to be loose, okay, loose. This is my version of loose because my fingers are used to twisting tightly, but if you can get yours looser than mine, then you will have a prettier, fluffier bun, or you could just go ahead and do this on dry hair. Every time I wear this hairstyle, I get so many compliments, and I literally cannot stress how simple it is. It's literally like a 5-minute like bun and go, you know, and it just looks really intricate, but it's not. I didn't really have a lot of time. I probably had that scarf on my head for like all of 5 minutes, if that. And yeah, so if you were actually able to have more looser twists than I did, you probably won't need to fluff them, but you can go ahead and do that just to give your overall look a much fluffier appearance. And then guys, here it is. Literally, I just swoop the twist. That's it. I just swoop it and tuck it. Like, that's it. And then you just take that one twist that's left, and then you bring it around the front and you tuck it, and you're actually done. I mean, at this stage I just go in with like 3 bobby pins just to make sure that everything stays in place, and you're done. You're literally done, girl. Just throw on some cute earrings and make your way out of the house. Go get your compliments because you look hella cute. It's literally the perfect hairstyle for any occasion. And yeah guys, as always, if you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!
take